Let's have a quick look at this Mann filter, HU816x. I use this filter in my BMW M54 engine, and it goes right into the oil filter housing. It slides right in. So you can go in this way or it can go in this way. Note, the green and black O-rings, they go inside the oil filter housing, and the brass colored washer goes with the oil pan bowl. I normally change my oil every 5,000 miles using full synthetic oil, and this is the oil filter that I use every time. By not changing the oil filter at regular intervals, I should risk reduced performance and oil consumption, and can also lead to engine damage. I suggest getting these in singles, and also they're available in multi-packs. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.